Our Woodlands campus is 170 acres of beautiful outdoor nature. It's a place that people can come to learn, to recreate, to play. Whatever the campus has to offer to you, everyone is invited to use it. We have 7 miles of beautiful hiking trails, some of which are, perfectly suitable for strollers and bicycles, some of them which are better for hiking shoes. We have a beautiful stream that's behind us that runs through our campus. That is one of probably the most pristine trout streams in our area. We have a lot of people that come and enjoy that. We have biology pools and vernal pools. We have a sugar shack maple sugar operation, which each year we make gallons and gallons of sweet maple syrup, which is not only delicious but also nutritious. We have an apiary where the community as well as our own students here can come and learn about honeybees and how to protect honeybees. So the campus has so much to offer. We have forests, we have meadows, we have trails, and we also have a really fun suspension bridge that's behind us. If you've never been on a suspension bridge, I invite you to come and just take a walk over the suspension bridge. Just everybody gets a big kick out of the suspension bridge. I myself used to go and sit out in the middle of the suspension bridge and eat lunch because it's probably one of the most peaceful places that you can be. When we bring school groups here, the kids just love to run across the suspension bridge. People are a little scared of it when they first come because it does sway when you walk back and forth. But if you've never been on a suspension bridge, we have one here in our own backyard, so come out and enjoy it. So the Environmental Institute offers a variety of community programs, not only for the community, but also for our students and for teachers in the area, anyone who wants to learn about the environment. The whole purpose of our program is to really engage people in environmental stewardship. And we try to do that through immersing them in nature. We find that people protect what they love, and if we can get them out in nature, whether it's for a butterfly program, or something looking for snakes and amphibians, or just taking a walk on our trail and learning about nature journaling, they develop a love for nature and then they protect what they love, so they become environmental stewards. We do have a few community programs that are kind of our signature programs. Each summer we offer a series of programs through K through 12 educators that are designed to help their own students become stewards of nature. This year we're focusing on 2 courses that center on getting students engaged in citizen science projects, whether it's tracking bees or tracking birds or migration or pollinators. And we also have one that talks about human relationship with nature and how what the decisions you make impact it. We offer a beekeeping course this summer. We also do a lot of nature journaling and hiking courses where you learn about habitat along when you're hiking. We really try to engage all audiences. Of course, first and foremost, our campus is here for our students. They're the ones who spend the most time here, but this community resource is just that. It's a community resource that's open to everyone.
My name is Joe Elias. I'm a Woodlands assistant here on campus. I take care of the trails along with Mike here. One of the main aspects of my job is to take care of the stream through cleanups, weed whacking, anything that's really in the way of the stream here. We have a variety of trout, both stocked and wild. It's mostly there's a lot of holdovers throughout the year because it is artificial baits only. A lot of fly fishing goes through here, and this creek stays cool enough that they hold over till the next year, actually. The bug life is great for the trout, which is why it's such a great stream for them. A great aspect of this college, actually, is because a lot of the labs have to do with practicality and going outside, and that's an actual lab that a lot of students do. As we go out here, we take bug samples and we test the quality of the stream. And then we also, input that for the trout stocking the next year.
Hi, my name is Michael Wentz. I'm a biology major here at Keystone, and I also am a student trail assistant. So there's actually like 7 miles of hiking trails here, and they're great for walking, running, mountain biking, anything like that. And my friend Joe and I, we try to weed whack all the trails, mow them. They're all maintained every week. It's just a great experience to come out here and take in the outdoors, see some wildlife. Definitely bring some binoculars if you're going to come out here because there's lots of native songbirds, and we've actually seen bald eagles out here. So
the primary thing that you'd first probably see when you're here, you'd probably see squirrels. And then when you are traveling our campus, you'll see anything that lives in northeastern Pennsylvania. This is kind of a microcosm of that area. So you'll see chipmunks, you might see snakes, you'll see frogs, you'll see salamanders, you'll see a variety of birds. If you fish, you'll see a variety of fish. So anything that you can experience in nature, you can experience in nature here. We also have a meadow and a forested area, so we do have a different variety of plants. We do some wildflower walks. If you're ever interested in wildflowers, you can learn about that on this campus. We also do medicinal herbs and edibles, things that you can eat in nature. You can learn about those things. So anything that's found in nature, we do have it here on our campus because it's 170 acres, so we have a variety of everything. All of our trails are designed to connect to the other resources that we have on campus. For instance, you can take this suspension bridge and walk through the bridge, walk through the woods, and get to our main sports fields without having to go out on the roads. So we do like to take people off the roads and get them to walk through our trail system, so they're all interconnected that way. We at Keystone invite everybody to come out and enjoy our beautiful campus. Come, enjoy, play, discover, explore. The campus is yours. This is a hidden jewel that's in the community that's for your enjoyment, so we invite you to come for that. Participate in our programs. Don't be intimidated by nature. Come and embrace nature. You can learn all about our programs through our website at www.keystone.edu, and you can learn about our environmental program specifically by adding a /KCEEI to that.